Do the typical holiday foods have you singing the blues because of your diet? Great news, friend! We've got an amazing grain-free, dairy-free, vegan stuffing recipe for you. Roast the butternut squash, apple, and leek with some olive oil and fresh rosemary. Toss the ingredients together, spread them on a baking sheet, and roast for about 30 minutes. The dry heat of the oven will caramelize the natural sugars in the ingredients and create a tongue-tantalizing depth of flavor. Heat olive oil in a skillet and sauté the onion and celery. Sautéing is a great way to bring out the onion's natural sweetness and tenderize the vegetables. Add the garlic and collard greens to the skillet and cook, stirring often until the greens are gorgeously wilted. Adding the garlic at this point instead of sautéing it with the onion and celery prevents the garlic from burning and allows its coveted flavor to infuse the greens. Here is where you bring all the ingredients together. In a large bowl, combine the roasted butternut squash mixture, collard green mixture, bread, and fresh herbs. Add just enough broth to moisten the bread. You may have broth left over. Save it for another use. Pour stuffing ingredients into a prepared baking dish and cover lightly with foil. Bake for about 25 minutes, then remove the foil. Continue to bake for 10 minutes uncovered or until the top of the stuffing is lightly browned. Put your stuffing on the Thanksgiving table and enjoy your family and friends fighting over who gets seconds.